This 5-minute solution will show you how to change or switch Gmail ID on Google Chrome browser. So if you have multiple Gmail accounts in your Google Chrome browser and now you are wondering how you can switch or change your Gmail ID for your Chrome browser, follow this step-by-step guide to do it. The process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, launch Google Chrome browser. Tap on your profile photo at the top right. And to change your Gmail ID on Chrome browser, tap on your current email at the top. Tap on sign out. You can sign out with clear data or keep data. So I'm going to selecting keep data. Once you sign out, now tap on choose another account. Now select another account. Tap on yes, I'm in. Tap on continue. Tap on done. And as you can see, I've successfully changed my Gmail ID on Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.